Namaste students, let us see few problems related to the probability. And we know that probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Let us see with the help of few examples. First one is, you are given a spinning wheel. How many outcomes you can see? It is divided into 7 parts. And A, B, C, D is the total number of outcomes in the spinning wheel. So you can see total letters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it means total outcomes will be 7. The next question is, I have a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Write down the probability of getting the following out of the deck when a card is drawn. Now, in question number 2, you are given total number of cards. As you know, in a deck of 52 playing cards, total cards are 52. And you know that out of them, 2 are red and these are in this shape. First one is heart and second one is diamond. Third one is club and fourth one is spade. So, as I told you that heart and diamond, they are red, club and spade are black. In these 4 types of cards, first letter is A and after that we have counting from 2 to 10. And for 11 we have to write J, it is called jack. For 12 we have to write Q, it is called queen. And for 13 we have to write K, it is called king. Same in black color. First letter is A. This A is called ace. And then counting from 2 to 10. Then in J, it is called jack. In Q, it is called queen. And in K, it is called king. Remember one thing, cards are called face card also. Face cards also. So, now let us solve the problem related to them. First one is, we have to find out the probability of an ace. So, how many aces are there? Number of ace equals to number of ace equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 ace are there and total cards are 52. So probability of an ace will be, see, number of favorable outcomes means the outcomes which are related to the event, which are related to ace. So 4 are aces and total number of outcomes are 52. So the probability is 4 upon 52. 4 ones are 4. 4. 13s are 52. This is 1 upon 13. Second is the probability of a red 10. A red 10. So you know 2 red 10s are there. Therefore, number of red 10 equals to number of red 10 equals to 2, and probability of red 10 will be equals to 2 upon 52. 2 ones are 2, then 2. 26 or 52, this is 1 upon 26. Next is the probability of a diamond queen. Third part is a diamond queen. And we know that we have only one diamond queen, so the probability of a diamond queen will be (1 upon 52). This is already in lowest term, so the answer will be 1 upon 52 only. Next is, there are 25 chalks in a box. 8 are yellow, 11 are blue, and rest of them are white. Means in this question, total chalks are given equals to 25, in which number of yellow chalks are are 8. Number of blue chalks are 11, and rest are white. So number of white chalks will be 25 minus number of yellow chalks plus number of blue chalks. This will be equals to 25 minus 19, which is equals to 6. Now we have to find out probability. So probability of getting a yellow chalk, will be equals to number of favorable outcomes, number of yellow chalks, which is 8, upon total number of chalks, which is 25. So this is 8 upon 25. Then probability of blue chalks will be number of blue chalks are 11 and total number of chalks are 25. So this will be 11 upon 25. Then probability of white chalks. So probability of white chalks are 6. Then probability will be 6 upon total number of chalks, that is 25. This is your required answer. Next is, letters of alphabet are written on 26 separate slips and put in a bag. One slip is chosen from the bag. What is the probability of? First one is the letter Q, probability of Q. So you know that when all 26 letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. When they all are written on slips, then how many times Q will come? It is only once. So the probability will be 1 upon total number of letters. Total letters are 26. Then second one is probability of a vowel. You know that number of vowels are A, E, I, O and U. A, E, I, O, U are your vowels of English alphabets. So, total number of vowels are 5 and total number of letters are 26. So, the probability of vowel is 5 upon 26. This is your required answer.